So this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on the updates. Yesterday I told you guys clearly that gold will be giving us a bearish move for the. It is exactly what gold gave us. You can say that gold gave us that bearish move. And I also told you, I marked this level. I told you guys that gold will drop to a level of 4374. And this is exactly what gold did. It dropped and tapped the level. Now, to those of you that would want to confirm, you can go back to the channel to watch the analysis we did last on gold, and you will see that our prediction was absolutely right. We were absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why I always say, if you are new to this channel and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe so that once we drop more quality updates, you will not miss out on those updates. Now, what are we going to be expecting on gold for the day again? I want you to have it in mind that we are still going to be expecting for a sell. Remember, a pullback again and another drop. So if you would like to go in for your sell and hold your sell position, the market is able to take out this low. That would be a very perfect thing to do. So you can go in for the sell and hold your sell position till say your sell is able to take out this low. So guys, a bearish move for the day is still what we are going to be expecting on our gold. I mean, zoom it out right here. You can see our trend on gold is still on a downtrend. Now this is our low. This is, let's start from here for quick analysis. This is the low, lower low, and this is the lower high right here, right? This is the lower high. Now market was able to drop to form a new lower low, but eventually market gave us this pullback, which is a lower high. You can see that this is the lower high right here. Now with this, market should continue to drop till it is able to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low, thereby forming a new lower low. So this is one of the reasons I said you can go for yourself and hold your sell position. More updates will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.